Okay, so here we are back in Hermosa. What we're going to do today is install some micro mesh down here along this foundation, right along this seam, all the way across here. Try to stop the rodents from going in. Again, we have to wait a little while to get it all of the exposed stone on this side, but for today we're going to start here and probably install a one-way door. We'll do a rebate while we're here, just cuz, and then yeah, we'll move on from there. Okay, so now we've got our mesh laid out here all the way across. It's not tapped in yet, but we're going to get into that in a minute. All the way over to this corner here. Okay, so just stay tuned here and we're going to start plugging it in. Okay, so now we're going to put some taps into the concrete, and hopefully we get a half decent view of it right there. Okay, nice and tight. Okay, so now we're going to fit a door on, and this being the door here. So yeah, we're gonna get that set up. I'm gonna take off the old setup here. A little further there, okay. Get a hole in the concrete. Okay, that's tight. Door is in place. Make sure she functions. All is good.